Are you wondering how to cancel an EverWebinar trial after it ends? You're in the right place. Stick around, and I'll walk you through exactly what you need to do, step by step. Plus, I'll show you how you can access the software completely free with exclusive bonuses. Keep watching until the end, because there's an important bonus you'll definitely want to know about. First, let's talk about EverWebinar. It's a powerful tool that lets you automate your webinars, offering a seamless experience for both hosts and attendees. However, if you're just trying it out and want to cancel after your trial, it can be a bit tricky if you're not sure where to go. So, here's what you need to do. The first thing you'll want to do is log in to your EverWebinar account. Once you're in, head over to the Account Settings section. You'll usually find this option in the top right corner under your profile icon. Click on that, and it'll take you to a menu where you can manage your subscriptions. Next, once you're in the Account Settings, look for the Billing section. This is where EverWebinar lists all the details about your current plan. If you're still in the trial period, you should see an option to cancel or downgrade. Now, here's the key step. If the trial has already ended, you may not see the option to cancel right away. Instead, you'll have to find the subscription section and manually cancel the service. This is an important step. Don't skip it. If you don't take action, you'll be automatically charged after the trial. After you cancel, make sure you get a confirmation email. This confirms that the cancellation has gone through successfully and you won't be charged again. Now, the fourth thing you need to know, if you're looking to try EverWebinar for free without any surprises, we've got you covered. You can use this software at no cost from the first link below, and with our exclusive bonuses, you'll get even more value out of it. Finally, remember, even after the trial ends, you have the option to keep using EverWebinar with a paid subscription, or if it's not the right fit, you've got the freedom to cancel anytime, no strings attached. So, to recap, log into your account, go to the billing section, cancel before you get charged, and don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial link below to see if this tool works for you. Thanks for watching, and remember to check out the bonus trial we've mentioned.